What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we happen to be at Ohio Power
Tool.
And here's the deal. My first experiences with Ohio Power Tool was as an online retailer. I didn't even realize at first that they had a brick-and-mortar location in, guess where? Ohio, Columbus, Ohio. Today,
World headquarters.
We're with Jay from Ohio Power Tool. He's going to tell us a little bit about his spring open house event. It's just the spring open house, or is it just the open house?
This is our annual open house. We have another deal later, kind of a tent sale thing at the end of the year to kind of blow out stuff that's sitting on the shelves.
So my question would be, so in this spring event, which is the open house, what happens at this event?
So we invite all our vendors. So there's, I think, 30 vendors here today.
Okay.
So they all set up booths, show off their goods, talk about stuff. So if you've got any questions for Makita, Milwaukee, Bosch, get that answered. And then we do kind of an overall deal, like every 100 you spend, you get $10 in gift cards.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So if you come and spend $100 at the event in store, you get $10 off. It's like an incentive to almost come in.
You get a gift card.
A gift card.
Yeah.
$10
So you spend $1,000 that you were going to spend anyway.
You get a
$100 gift card.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Now, you're saying that at the end of the year in December, you do a
Yeah.
similar event?
We do a different event that's more of a garage sale. So we take anything that's kind of like a little bit old inventory, and we put it in a warehouse, and then we invite people in to just come buy it. And that's 25 off.
Wow.
Just in stock stuff.
My question is, being that a lot of you might not know, like we didn't know, that this is a brick and mortar location for tradespeople.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, homeowners come to the store.
Oh yeah.
So how long has this location been here?
So we've been open since '83. We moved in here 5 years ago.
So in this location, so you've been open since 1983 in this location for 5 years.
Yep.
And when did you start treading into the online? Like you were a retail location first, and then when did you decide to go online sales? I hear that's kind of like the way of the future.
Yeah, it's the thing. It may go away.
It could go on.
The interwebs, it's like, might be gone next year, but so far it's been good. My mom started the website in True Dat 06, I think.
Nice.
Yeah. So she got it going, and then actually it was before that. So I started helping out in 06, like part-time.
Really?
06, 07, and then I came on full-time in 08.
Awesome. So she's probably she has a subscription to like Fortune magazine. Hey, listen, I hear this online thing going on. Let me set up this website. So do you service all of those lines of tools that you sell?
Pretty much all of the stuff we service.
So here on site, you're an authorized
for pretty much any brand that we sell. We're going to service. The only things we don't service, certain it's like laser accuracy where you need expensive equipment to test,
It goes back.
There's a certain kinds of hydraulic stuff, but we do a lot of cylinders. We do a lot of hydraulics here, but certain things that need calibrated have to go back to the factory.
Really? So how do you get involved? Like, I would assume you started selling the tools first and then started as a service
No, so
center?
we started as a service center.
So we're reversed.
In '83, first 10 years we did like exclusively repair stuff, and then after that we started. We would sell new stuff just to replace. Like you bring something in broken, too expensive to fix, we sell you new.
Gotcha.
But I mean, it was really all our competitors took stuff to us to fix it, and we give it back to them.
Really?
So that's how we started. And that's why certain lines we don't have, we never got set up. They wouldn't set us up to service.
So a lot of very cool gang want to know why Ohio Power Tool doesn't sell DeWALT tools. Now, some other not so very cool gang members believe it's a conspiracy theory that Ohio Power Tool doesn't sell or service DeWALT because you're part of the shilling conspiracy. Teamed up. We are teamed up.
Teamed up.
To shill from Milwaukee, to sell more power tools from Milwaukee. What is that the real deal? Are we shilling?
So in the 80s,
Yes.
we were not set up to service DeWALT.
What was the reason for that?
So they have a DeWALT service center in Columbus.
So this is a long-running, kind of like the Illuminati.
Just
okay?
like the Illuminati.
Just like the Illuminati, we have been
It's actually
setting.
part of it, I think.
We have been setting up this conspiracy for decades, so that when we decided to start our YouTube channel last year, the year before, this would all be set up in the works
In the works.
to bring in Milwaukee Power Tools as a giant. We've conspired. Me, Jay, Ohio Power Tool, Nick behind the camera.
Since birth.
That's right.
Since really-
We were indoctrinated into this whole conspiracy.
Yeah, so we
It could
wanted to fix their tools. We fixed their tools for a while, but we
DeWALT.
had to buy everything through the DeWALT Service Center, and they would be back ordered and they wouldn't give us the parts. So we just said we'll stop fixing them, and then we didn't sell them, and then fast forward to today,
So you're saying
we
that
still don't sell any DeWALT.
So you're saying DeWALT is in on the conspiracy with us.
Yeah, it's a three-way conspiracy.
Amazing. And if you like amazing stories about worldwide conspiracies, then smash the like button. Also, if this is your first time here and you're not already, make sure you're getting subscribed and tapping the bell and checking out Ohio Power Tool online or here in the store. Come on in, meet the guys and gang. They're very knowledgeable. They have a wide, expansive array of tools, powered and non-powered. But they don't
Could
have
be like the pretty cool gang.
You're an alright gang.
Alright gang.
Or the
Alright gang.
alright Power Tool gang or something, OPT. Come and check them out. They have every brand you could possibly want, except for DeWALT.
Except for DeWALT. Until they set us up to serve.
It's until the conspiracy runs its course. Sorry. We appreciate you having us out here, Jay. Thank you so much. We'll see you all on the next one.
Webs.
Or the webs. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.